Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today I'm going to come on and share a fall chickpea salad with you. You guys know that I love chickpeas. This chickpea salad is healthy and it's delicious. It's flavorful with a quick prep time. It's made with chickpeas, an avocado, an apple, dried cranberries, pecan, red onion, and slightly tossed with the apple cider dressing. So let's get started. So what we're going to do first is we're going to make the dressing. I always like to make my dressings first and let them chill a little. So we're going to use 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is just a 365 extra virgin olive oil that I got from Whole Foods. So we need 2 tablespoons of that. Let me see if I'll show you guys the label. It's a little hard. It's the Mediterranean blend. Second thing we're going to do is use the apple cider vinegar, and we need 1 tablespoon of that. We need 2 teaspoons of 100% pure maple syrup. And we need 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And I have the 365 organic Dijon mustard. We need 1 garlic clove, and it's minced. Or as best as I can mince it, which isn't that good, but I tried, y'all. I tried. And then we're going to do a little salt and pepper to taste. And the 365 pepper and the 365 Himalayan salt. Now this recipe called for kosher salt, but I chose not to use any. So then we're just going to whisk it together. Without me making too big of a mess. Okay guys, so this is pretty much whisked together pretty well. So now we're going to switch out and start combining the chickpeas and all the vegetables. This is the bowl that we're going to be using. Okay guys, so I'm just going to toss in my 15 ounce of chickpeas. 1 large apple, so I chose to use Honeycrisp apple because this is the apple that I like the most. So this is just 1 apple. We'll put in 1 avocado, and it's chopped. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of a fresh lemon juice. Okay, so this is 1 tablespoon. Then we'll grab the other half of the lemon, and here's the 2nd tablespoon. So now we're going to add the red onion, and this is 1/4 cup of red onion. I measured out 1/4 cup of pecans. You can use either pecans or walnuts, and I chose to use pecans. And then 1/4 cup of dried cranberries. And then you can use 1/4 cup also of the crumbled feta cheese or goat cheese, but I don't eat dairy any longer, so I chose to make the recipe without it. We're just going to toss this up a little. And then we're going to gently drizzle the dressing over the salad. And then we're going to lightly toss it. I'm going to try to get the dressing all over it. So guys, you can use this salad for like a light lunch or for dinner, just depending, or a side dish. I tend to use it like for lunch or for dinner. And then I might add something else with it, like some more greens. So this is the finished salad, guys. It is quick, simple, delicious. It's got a lot of delicious flavors to it. And I just love salads like this. And even though it's a fall salad, you know, there are times that I eat it in the summertime. We haven't quite made it into fall. This is September right now, but I like to start kind of transitioning, you know, my dishes over and eating some fall things. Sometimes I just need some comfort food. Subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below what your fall's favorite salad is. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.